Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G41. In this video I'll show you how to enable or disable tap to capture function. In the beginning enter camera and go to settings. Now go to capture settings and enable tap anywhere to capture. Thanks to that you'll be able to take pictures just by tapping on the screen. If you want to remove this function, let's go to settings again, enter capture settings and tap here again. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.